Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 16. The title, Va, Va, Va. This letter is unique to Arabic language. It's a heavy letter, so you need to pronounce it heavy. Va, Va. Now, a common mistake is to try to pronounce it light when you say zo, zo. That will change it into another letter. It has to be pronounced heavy. Va, va, va. First line, va, sa, ta. All three letters are heavy. Va, sa, ta. Notice the echo. Va, sa, ta. Ta, za, ta. Ta, za, ta. Ba, va, ba. See the difference between the letters. Again, ba, va, ba, ba, va, ba. Second line, sa, va, ba, sa, va, ba. The, va, the. Again, notice the difference between the and the. The, va, the. The, va, the. Se, va, the. Se, va, the. Third line, the, ze, va, the, ze, va, ze, va, the. Again, notice the difference between those three letters. I repeat, ze, va, the. Faster. Ze, va, the. Ba, ta, va, ba, ta, va. Fourth line, ja, ha, va, ja, ha, va, ta, ja, va, ta, ja, va, ta, va, sa, ta, va, sa. Again, notice the difference. Ta, va, sa. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Fifth line, ta, va, ta, ta, va, ta, ba, da, ta, ba, da, ta, sa, va, ba, sa, va, ba. And now we read the letters. A, ب ت ث ج ح خ د ذ ر ز س ش ص ض ط ظ. Notice that we are reading all the letters with fatha on top. The heavy letters that we had so far, the first one is the kha. The letter ra, it's heavy because of the fatha. We read it with heaviness when there's a fatha on top. And sa, da, ta, and dha are heavy. Again, a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, ذا را ز س ش ص ض ط ظ. And now I read it fast. أ ب ت ث ج ح خ د ذ ر ز س ش ص ض ط ظ.